Hey guys, this profile pop-up is for Maurice. Now there's a little bit of a cleaned up photo. It's too small and grainy, but I got rid of all the background that you had here from this photo right here, if it will open for me. I had to zoom in on that and use a little tool. If you're interested, let me know, but you would need a higher resolution photo that is zoomed in on you, I would say, rather than having this be about the South African Airways cargo. That's probably a proud moment for you, but that might be something better in the background. So anyway, I want to try to give you a quick feel for what a recruiter might be seeing, presuming that you are looking for a new position or you're trying to be open to opportunities. So if we look through here, you see a quick thing about your About section. I have experiences in setting up cargo. I kind of got that from your headline. Then I scroll down here and I look at your experience. I open that up, and right away I'm noticing there's nothing in the details here for the experience. You've been there 6 months and then 7 months prior to that. Now you got some more details here. And I tell you, there's things when I'm scrolling through, this is what stands out. When I see 30%, 50%, 3 months, now I'm thinking, okay, you did something and I'm going to want to open that up. But in 1 minute here, I have just shown you that that's about all I'm seeing. I'm not seeing enough that wants to draw me in. Now here's the missed opportunity. Inside your About section, you've got a lot of great results. Process improvement, 60%. Problem solving, 3 million. You need the dollar sign in here. Put that in there so that stands out more. USD 2.5 million, another dollar sign. So maybe not so much so full, but have bullet points and really make these stand out. Lead with the result. Lead with the value that you saved, that you contributed, and try to spread this out. Give it some space, but you notice I didn't even see that. It wasn't up here. You weren't giving me an intro. The introduction looked like I have experiences in, and like you weren't about to say something, so I wasn't inclined to want to open that up. So pop, that is literally the definition of pop. You want to pop your best foot forward, if I could use that saying, and lead with that and make sure people are going to be inclined to want to click and open your profile. Anyway, I hope that helped, Maurice. Let me know in the comments.